Enjoy a natural-looking sun-kissed glow year-round with the Prime Radiance Bronzing Face Primer from Kristofer Buckle. The lightweight formula melts into the skin, smoothing the appearance of fine lines, pores, and wrinkles, leaving your skin hydrated and radiant. To create a natural-looking sun-kissed glow, simply dispense a quarter-sized amount onto your hand and smooth over your entire face using your fingertips. Wear it alone or under foundation for an illuminating finish. The bronzing primer is universally flattering and enhances the complexion of all skin tones. Soft focus technology diffuses light to blur imperfections, creating a smooth canvas.